खुलुमबाय ख्या जत ताखुकते बुकुक संनो ताई लामसोगो आनी o channel tini ang nongno sai khnarenai Swadhin Tripura Private ITI ni Institute ni tui boroni ro admission tabuk talangui tongo sector angkha fitter and electrician ni bagai minimum qualification nangnai 10 pass tai o course ni duration angkha 2 years norok admission angnani hangke norok call khaimano borongno ang phone number sanai pulano tongo number angkha norok note khaimano 700-568-2919 ang te saikranai 700-568-2919 takashi number tongo obongkha 8794-576791 norok o jaga call khaiye borok bai direct admission ni bagai tamo documents rok nang norok phone khai singui mano tai o jaga naidi comments jak tongo bongni bagai bongni institute ni bagai pulano tongo naidi industrial learning good faculty at always ready to help tebo tongo naidi the college has necessary infrastructure facilities and equipment good classroom good playground volleyball court and badminton court clean and hygienic food the last takasa tongo obonka it's an awesome institute for technical learning in my locality kahamno comments rajak tongo boni institute ni bagai tai je kuno kaisa ITI o kaisa affiliated tono nango boni affiliated tongo NCBT boni full form ka National Council of Vocational Training belekeno nangkok mani o affiliated nango je kuno kaisa ITI o admission hangke tai obongka boni gallery rok naidi boni playground te boni infrastructure belaino kaham norok jodi admission angna hangke tabukno jora tongsino admission nai pendi tai asungno tinin bagai ang te bi sana thanglaya belekano hambai ani o video naima bagai khulumbai kya।